Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'll be showing you how to sublimate a phone stand holder. I designed this phone stand holder inside of Photoshop. The phone stand are from Conde and they provide a template to go along with it. I purchased the actual clip art from the GG shop off of Design Bundles and I used my Sawgrass SG400 to print off the design. So before we start, make sure to preheat your heat press to about 400 degrees after you have printed your design. So let's get started. So first we need to take the phone holder and remove the protective covering off of it. Once I got that removed, I took the white part of the phone holder and placed it face down over the design. I'm going to cut off some of the extra paper. Next, we'll take the heat tape and tape the sides of the paper over the back of the phone holder. We're just going to repeat the same process. So now that we're done prepping, we can go to the heat press. We're going to first place the parchment paper down first and then add the phone stand with the design on top. Then we're going to add another piece of parchment paper to protect your heat press. Press for about 60 seconds. And we're going to carefully remove the phone stand. So I waited about 45 seconds before I pulled off the tape. And this is what it looks like. And that's it. Before I go, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I have hit my first milestone of 100 subscribers. It's a small win, but it means the world to me, so I just want to thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you did like it. If you'd like to be a part of my growing crafting family, please consider subscribing. Have a great day, guys.